Alright, welcome back to the channel, and we're gonna jump right on in it. But the last video I gave y'all was just the car cutting off, and I took the battery to get charged, and it ran for like 5 minutes. I took the alternator to get tested, and it was like 12.6 or 7 with the alternator test. So I got another alternator coming in to replace it. Want to see how hard it is to get that belt put on there. But yeah, that's the next, should be the next video I got coming. Alternator be here Wednesday, and I think I'm gonna jump on this next. Yeah, I think I'm gonna jump on this next because this needs a little purge vent valve that goes by the gas tank. When I open the gas cap, like a whole lot of pressure to shoot out every time I take the gas cap off. But what I wanted to do today was see, I think this would be January, a January project, but I just wanted to see if I can, I don't want the battery to die on me, so we're about to crank it up. Alright, make sure you don't have slides on. I'm trying to work. But yeah, let's see where we at. I don't want this battery to die. It's been cold. Alright, yeah, we've tightened the starter up several times, but it always goes back to slipping, so gotta figure that out. Alright, let me try to twist this. Turn this flywheel around. Alright. Let me see what it does. I think it needs a big flywheel. Previous video where it ran hot when they put it on the event. So it has a blown head gasket. Yeah. I haven't sprung it up in what, about 2 months. November.
Last month.
Last month?
Right last month.
But when it warms up, the smoke goes away. But yeah, I just wanted to come out here and crank it to see how it was going to do. And of course, that flywheel issue. But yeah, that's just I just wanted to give a update on the projects and on the daily driver and what I got lined up after the holidays. Hope y'all enjoy the holidays. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Monday is New Year's Day. So go into 2024 with a positive mindset. Let's get a lot more accomplished in 2024. Let's do the things that we loved and not, I would say, doing the things that people want us to do and not worrying about what people got to say about what we got going on. I know in the big rim community, a certain type of wheels get laughed at, a certain paint job get laughed at, but we just, gotta do what makes us happy. And, these are the things that make me happy. So, yeah. But Bluey is gonna be the next thing I work on. We're gonna get Bluey running because we got some plans with Bluey, and I want y'all to stick around and see what we turn Bluey into. And I'll probably give y'all another video on the inside, but it's gut. Well, we gutted it out and put some stuff in there. We haven't decided what we're gonna do yet, but so yeah, subscribe, like, comment to keep up with the updates, and see you in the next video.